Hello beautiful people, this is Aisha Sheikh and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to unbox my very favorite class monitor phonic kit, which is highly beneficial for parents, teachers and students. This kit consists of all the resources that you need to build your child's base for the reading skills. So come on, let's get started and let's unbox it together. So here I am going to unbox my phonics kit and the age group is from 3 to 6 years old. Well, let's begin. Ta-da! The first thing that comes up is the content page, and beautifully they have given from unit 1 to 6, which is commendable. So parents shouldn't worry about like what goes first. Everything in this is in this. Okay, the next thing that comes up is this, the class monitor app. All you need to do is just scan and you get all the contents in it. So the parents who do not know how to teach phonic, this will be highly essential for you. Okay, so let's look at few of the things that we have in this. We've got the digraph puzzle. Wow, so match the picture to the sound. And we have got a lot of sight words, high frequency words or tricky words, whatever you call them. And let's remove you and see. See, beautiful, love it. So you've got some single phonic sounds as well as consonant blends in it and a lot more digraphs. That's one. And I'll tell you what is this for. Okay, we have got lots and lots of comprehension cards. Can you see that? Oh my god. Let's remove one. Okay, Sam and Pam go camping. These are the sounds, these are the digraph that's been covered in this book. And look at that, beautifully they have highlighted as well with nice pictorial representation. I love this, beautiful. So that goes out. And then we have vowels and consonant sounds. Let's see what it is. These are word search. Okay, I thought to show you what's inside this. They've got some words here of the long vowel sounds, and they have listed quite a lot of words. They've got some split digraphs, and they've got some flashcards as well. Along with that, you've got some word search puzzles, and look at this, beautiful, love it. So that was inside it. Now let's go and check what's more. Yes, so sound along with the picture. Okay, so this is like F says F as in fish. Cool, yeah? See? Okay, what is this? This is a whiteboard, and that's a pencil, and you've got a duster over here. So useful for writing. And there you go, you've got lots and lots of board games, taken ladder games, and yeah, consonant blend charts. Okay, yeah, slides and letters digraphs, lovely. The material as well is amazing. Roller die and letter sound game, look at that. Ludo and blends. And there you are, you can create your own dice with this. So ready-made templates given to you, lovely. Yes. And then what is this? These are long vowel sounds plus R controlled vowels. Okay, yes, see, again a lot. Next, diphthongs. Oh, beautiful. This is the unit 6 that goes down. Okay, so diphthongs, soft and hard, k and g. Look at that. So there are lots. So this was one. Okay, then you've got the digraphs, sh and ch. Then you've got the digraphs here. This belongs to the unit 4. And for unit 3, you've got the consonant blends here. Look at that. I love all of these activities. Okay, I thought it's the same. They all are different. Bravo, different kinds of activities. I think the same goes for this. Yes. And how about this? That's correct. Everything is different. All the activities are planned differently. That's cool. Interesting, isn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. And if you like, do share and subscribe. And God bless you. Much love. Don't forget to spread kindness.